This is the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning, the all-electric version of America's best-selling truck. From the outside, it's bold and familiar, with a modern twist. The illuminated front grille and LED light bar give it a futuristic look, while the clean body lines and big wheels keep that tough truck stance. Under the hood? No engine. Instead, a massive front trunk or frunk that's weather-sealed, lockable, and even comes with power outlets. Inside, it's all tech. A huge 15.5-inch touchscreen, a digital driver display, and premium features like leather seats, ambient lighting, and a full flat work surface make it perfect for work or comfort. Performance-wise, it's a beast. Dual electric motors produce up to 580 horsepower and 775 lb-ft of torque. It goes 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds and can tow up to 10,000 pounds. Smooth, silent, and shockingly quick. With the extended battery, you get up to 320 miles of range. And with fast charging, 15% to 80% takes around 40 minutes. Best part? It can power your house for up to 3 days in an outage. The 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning isn't just a truck. It's the future, powerful, smart, and built to lead. Like, subscribe, and comment below, is the F-150 Lightning your dream electric truck? This is CarTalkOfficial, thanks for watching.